My grease never. Oh. Oh.
Warlords, heroes, villains, and kings. I've seen all of them in my time. They all tried to avert their doom, and like one another, they all perished. You, on the other hand, forgotten by history itself, and yet you still persist.
I'm glad to see you. Pleased, Great One.
You! Where have you been? You seem even more pathetic than usual.
I merely took care of that lackey of hers. He told me everything about her precious denizens. She keeps them protected, hidden.
Oh!
Great One. There are spices who became allured by her honeyed promises.
Is that so?
The lackey. I took care of him. He won't be a problem anymore. Now it's only golden cheese cookie against us. Destroy her. Pull out the root of her treachery. I shall take care of the traitorous spices. The great destroyer will reign supreme. You are the true master of the tide of change. The only god of destruction. The world shall bend to your power!
Elder, will they be all right, Fee?
We can only hope.
We must not stop to look back! Fee! Fee! They told us to run away as fast as we can!
Fee, I should have told Golden Cheese Cookie. I took the god for a demon, Fee. I saw the truth too late.
Huh? Was that it?
Sweet slumber!
Do not stand in my way!
Sweet slumber!
How amusing! Crafty little thing. You stole a fragment of my power. You basked in its glory. So proud of yourself. You had the nerve to teach me? Me? Look where it got you! Poof! That precious servant of yours became a cloud of worthless dust! How does it feel? How does it feel to lose everything? But I must give credit where it's due. After all, it's thanks to you that I realized I had to get my soul jam back. Look me in the eye, Golden Cheese Cookie. I wish to see your face when I crumble you. I shall crush your greed, your treasures, your dough, and, in the end, I shall take back my soul jam. Don't worry. I always keep my promises. All you ever held dear will be swallowed by the tide of change, and your very name will be erased from history.
And find the last of the ancient heroes, Golden Cheese Cookie.
Golden cheese cookie?
I'm thankful you're safe.
My old friends.
Accept the truth and move on. That's what you need to do.
The most important part is to never let a second chance slip by.
I will help. We'll come help you too. What's your greedy desire, Golden Cheese Cookie?
My new allies.
Radiance! We are the chess birds that have been working away in the mines for generations!
Our great-great-great-great-grandfather, High Priest Cheesenbird, relocated our families to the mines. Chirp!
My subjects who put their trust in me.
Do not hesitate any longer, and fly freely to the skies.
I shall wait for you, my queen.
We called you a god, so be a god! Those whom I trust with my life. Crush. Mine. All mine. You will not crush my treasures. You cannot crush my treasures. As you cannot crush me. My name will never be forgotten. My soul gem, the testament to my power, my right to be called a hero. And the power of abundance will never belong to someone ready to forsake the entire world. You lost this power, for it was never yours. Instead, it became mine, the greediest cookie on earth bread. No, you do not have the right, usurper. You will not make this power yours by force. It will be mine, forevermore. My radiance is yours, O Golden One. And now, my light has increased. So, let the wings of abundance carry you.
Oh! Ha-ha! You will suffer!
Burning spice cookie. It seems the tide of change has turned in my favor. Hear my words. You chose to let go of everything you ever had. You do not deserve even the smallest smidgen of my treasures.
Eternal flame! Do not stand in my way!
Eternal
Do not stand in my way!
destruction!
Do not stand in my way! Witness destruction! Do not stand in my way! Witness destruction! Ah!
How can someone who has forsaken everything prevail over someone who has lost everything? Remember this moment and taste the bitterness of regret. For you are about to face defeat from everything you have ever discarded.
Ah, crap. In the end, not only did I fail my mission, But she also made me watch the moment of her triumph from afar. Burnt cheese cookie, mozzarella cookie. Someday, you will lament the fact you slept through such a fateful moment. I was the only witness. I love it.
Smoked cheese cookie! Where are you?
My queen!
You! When will you ever listen to my commands? Have I not told you to get to safety? And what did you do instead? May the radiance of gold wash over you.
My queen defying your orders indeed runs in my dough. Worry not. The soul cheeses are safe and sound.
Just what on earth, Bread, is wrong with you? No matter. It is over. We can go home now. The path is clear, although I do not know which way to go. It is time we leave this place, Smoked Cheese Cookie.
Gladly, Your Radiance. Did you know, my queen, that Elder Kofi has a way with spice magic? For saving his entire tribe, he promised me to return the favor.
Did he now? I'm surprised the Culfies found courage to resist their oppressor. He must have been truly grateful.
My queen, I suggest we find the Kofis. Perhaps they can help us return with their magic.
Good thinking. I should ask them if they wish to join my kingdom.
Your Radiance. Are you serious? They might prefer to stay in the land of their ancestors.
Do you not see it? Their spice magic skills are far too valuable. Besides, hold on tight. Ah, at last. Oh, the freedom of flying. You shall see what an all-powerful god can do.
My, you remember what I said to you during my little rebellion? Truly, what did I do to deserve such treatment from my queen?
I shall never forget that.
Very well, Your Radiance. I suppose it will be my lesson.
Is that all?
That burning spice cookie was positively horrifying.
I saw him buried under the ruins of his own temple. And yet, I fear we haven't seen the last of that wretched beast.
You might be right, Your Radiance. Villains like him always come back.
I think there are more of them.
You said there was a beast cookie for each of the 5 heroes? I admit, it's a rather scary thought. We must get in touch with the other 4 as soon as we return. You're Radiant?
Yes, you are right. I can no longer delay the inevitable. And I think I know what to do now. I am prepared to meet White Lily Cookie.
Great One, where are you? Where? No. It can't end like this. Yes! I knew it!